Okay, here we go. This one is now done. It's taken a good amount of time, as I'm sure you can imagine. And as the last one that prompted this commission, it is a double-sided flip journal. So let's just spin that round a second. And oh, it's very heavy. So that's the steampunk cover. So now we've got it that way, we might as well start that way. So we've got some bits and pieces on here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's really, really cool. It's just like gears and cogs that I did in UV resin, and I just think it looks really, really lovely on the spine. So, as I say, here we go for the steampunk side of things here. Those spined angle hooks always get in the way because it makes it not sit properly. So what have we got here? We have got a little pocket. It's all nicely embossed. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's got cogs and gears embossing on it, and we've got some little envelopes and pockets on the go there. We've got a couple of pockets up here. I am leaving space for this one, not just for writing, but also because James, my customer, he likes to add things to journals as well. So I've made sure I haven't kind of, you know, overdone the filling kind of thing. But there's a little journal card there, which I can't get now behind my paper clip. There we go. And we've just got a little pocket and tag on the go in there. We've got a cascade here, which ideally you need two hands for, but you get the idea. And that's obviously, you can journal on that as well. There's obviously a lot of trim and stuff like that. There's one of these little pockets, just some little tags that I made using some craft card and stamps. Got a little envelope on the go. That's a pocket as well at the top there, and another pocket there with another one of the little stamped tags. As you can see, there's quite a lot in this. Even though I'm keeping it sort of simple, there's still quite a lot in it. So we've got envelope here that's got a little journal card inside as well as a tag. And I just love this. I did a little keyhole that side with it kind of black underneath, so it looks like it's empty inside, and then the key on this side. Quite chuffed with my little self. I haven't actually done that one up, but this is this one. There is a tutorial for this on the channel as well, so you guys could go along and help yourselves to that. We've got another pocket with some more tags going on up there. We've got a pocket with some bits and pieces going on. Well, I can't get that one out, but you get the idea. There's things in there. Another pocket with some bits and pieces in, you know, that kind of thing. A lot of this stuff is from my steampunk journal kit that's on my coffee, and I think it's on my Etsy as well, but I'm not entirely sure. But then we've got this little kind of mini notebook thing going on here, and another little kind of journal spot tag and pocket in there. We've got a little fold out, very, very simple. Again, this is from my kit, if you guys can see that. These are falling out. But more pockets, gotta love a pocket. This one is, if I can undo it, there we go, that way around, Becca. Just another little notebook for doing things and stuff. There we go. Little belly band going on there. We've got a little concealed paper clip pocket here. Nice and easy, and that's some fabric that I stamped on, which I think made that really cool. just to stick on there as a backing thing. We've got a pocket up the top here with a tag in it. That's also from my kit. What have we got? Oh yeah, okay, this one. It's been a while since I've actually done a look through the steampunk side. So we've just got a hidden journaling spot there. And when I can actually open it, because I'm a bit rubbish, the paper clip will just hold that closed. I'm sure that, oh yeah, that sticks on here. But yeah, that's just another journal card. And yeah, I forgot that that tucks on there. We've got a pocket with a little cluster there, and a little kind of loaded pocket that I've just tucked inside there. More bits and pieces, you know, just random ephemera stuff, as you do. Another pocket over here with some more of the tags that I stamped, as were the pockets as well. They were just ones that I stamped, and that's got a big pocket at the back there. Then we have this one, which again is just got lots of bits and pieces, journal spots and the like. And another paper clip up here with another little pocket that tucks in there. Just a little, two little tuck spot pockets. Try saying that when you've had a few. And what have we here? More little notebooks. You guys know I do love a nice little notebook. Can't help myself. So yeah, there's another one of those. This one is an open out. There's pockets all the way across there and there. So I'll do that up again afterwards, because it's a bit of a fuss. Envelope that's got bits and pieces in. That's just another cheeky way of closing an envelope there, you know. Just some nice empty space for James to put his own things in there, if it'll cope with any more things in there. That's just a little pocket, again using the stamped card. And another pocket on the go up there. More fabric that I stamped on that one. These, you guys know about these. This might have been the one I did on the tutorial, I don't actually remember. But these have been immensely popular. The tutorial for this is on my channel. It's been used in quite a few groups for people to do it as a challenge and that kind of thing, you know. And it's just, I don't know, it was immensely popular, which is great, you know. I was just a bit surprised. Didn't expect it. It's another pocket and tuck spot on the go in there. This one is some pull down journaling space, with a nice little musical paper clip up the top there, so just squidge that back together, and some journal pieces like journal papers just tucked under there. Then what else have we got? Just a little envelope on the back side of that, journal spot, pocket with tags. Oh, get in there. I didn't want to go. This journal is already so full, it's quite ridiculous. This was actually some packaging that I got, something, I think it was maybe from Temu, some papers of some kind, and I thought, oh, that's just got to be used, it's fabulous. Another one of the little notebooks. And then I think, yeah, that's the end of the steampunk side. So as you can see, there's quite a lot in there just for that one side. Oh, and I forgot to say, yeah, it's got the latch on it here, you know, that closes that off nicely. So then we have the gothic side. It's kind of gothic Halloween kind of feel to it, you know. It wasn't really anything massively specific. So, oh, that doesn't belong there. That's got to go into the other journal that James has bought of mine. It was a request. Could I put one of the little sliders, you know, that I've done. I can't actually get it to work now. Yeah, one of those into the Gothic journal, the big Gothic journal that I made. Yeah, James has bought that one as well. So just got some bits of ephemera in here and a little kind of waterfall little pocket tucked behind there. We've got a tag from my tag challenge, which I'm sure I actually demonstrated on the previous video, so I'm not going to bother too much with that one. There's only certain things that I can remember if I demoed them in the last flip through I did of this. So we've got, you know, bits and pieces in here. Lots of writing space as always, you know, pockets, more pockets over there. And we've got, yeah, Poe, gotta love Poe. In here we have got tags, and we have a little journal card folder, so that way James can distribute those wherever he might like within the journal. Let me just lift that up a little bit again. So obviously we've got a pocket here and another pocket going on in here, and that's actually a tuck spot as well, I think. Oh no, yes, yeah, it is. I couldn't remember. Yes, it is a tuck spot. Little pocket and another tag, and then we have that one. Again, there is a tutorial for that one on the channel if you would like to see how to make it. I can lay that down a bit again now. We have got things and stuff in here, so little tuck spot lace kind of thing going on. Half of the time I don't even know what I'm making, I just put things together and hope for the best. I think I've shown this one. I think these are just tags that pull out and then just pop back in kind of thing, and like they all fold down. So yeah, I'll tie that off afterwards. We have more tags and little coffin notebooks that are on my coffee page, linked in the description as ever. This is a tuck for this little folio going on here, so I'll just pop that back on there. This one is just fold out pockets, so that's all good. More pockets on the go, more tags, more journal cards, more pockets. Oh, this one wasn't done up. Yep, so these are all pockets as well in the top there. Excuse me, I'm getting over a cold, so I'm quite I'm a bit croaky and stuff, you know. So banner up there, and yeah, this is the slide out that James asked for in the Gothic journal. So there we go. Little tuck spot pockets, little back pocket, a little side pocket there. That one's not a pocket, that one's just decoration. This is from one of my Gothic journal kits as well. There's quite a bit in here that are from my journal kits, as well as other bits and pieces. Little pocket going on there, a little loaded pocket with just random bits and pieces. Lots and lots. I'm not going to bore you with showing you all of them. But yeah, tuck pocket job there. This one is just little kind of decorative flap pockets. The flaps do not serve a purpose on that one. So there we go. Pocket there. That's from my kit as well. We've got a nice concertina tie-off pocket there, and more bits and pieces, and that's a pocket as well. Little cluster that I made just using some scraps and stuff. Another pocket going on, another cluster that I made as well to make a pocket with. So that's all kind of layers, you know, lots and lots of layers. In here we have another one of those that needs to be undone. But that's just a little folio there for James to fill. Again, I'll tie that up again later on. More little journal cards in there, a little stack of them to go in that. Obviously that's a pocket, that's a tuck spot. And there we go. So that is the Gothic half of the journal. So by the time you guys see this, James will have received his journal. But I hope you've enjoyed the flip through. I hope that maybe it's given you some, you know, new ideas or something for things that you can make yourself and put in your own journals, which would be fabulous. So let me know in the comments, did you like it? Did it inspire you? You know, anything. I love to hear things like that, so let me know. And I'm also posting things over in my group at the moment, which is linked in the description as well, because there's challenges going on and there's discounts on my coffee and stuff like that going on, so get yourselves over to the group. There you go guys, happy crafting, and I'll see you soon.